Hi guys, so I'm back with another video. It's just a simple makeup look and I think you guys will love it too. So here's a tutorial, I guess. Okay. Now yeah, I have set my face with my primer and now we're just gonna go with foundation first. So here I have the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade of soft peach. Also, I'm wearing this more often because it's almost expired and I don't want to let it go to waste, so I'm using it as long as I can. So I'm gonna go with this. To be honest, this is the only brush or flat top brush that I have, which is my Wet n Wild. I think it's really good and also it's affordable, so I recommend it if you're looking for a flat top brush. Wet n Wild. To be honest, I've seen reviews on the Wet n Wild brushes and most of them are good, so yeah, you guys can check it out if you want to. Okay, now for the next step we're going to wear concealer. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade of, I think it's like medium. Yep. Ooh, light medium, let's go. It's Nature Republic Cushion Foundation in the shade of Y25 Cushion. Using this to bronze out my face, like to give it to give the warmth on my face back. So if I don't wear hijab, right, I'll put it lagi like on this side, but since I don't want to stain my hijab, I'm not gonna put it there because you guys can't even see it. Also like to look at the excess here, right, I like to put it on my nose like a contour. Put it here. I don't know what you call this, but yeah, put it here too. So I'm gonna go back with my foundation brush because I want it to blend more. Like I said before, this blush is really good if you guys want a natural and subtle finish, because this blush is really good for beginners, I think, because it doesn't have that too much pigment in it, so you guys can easily control it. And even though you put a lot, it still won't look that heavy or that obvious. Now let's set our face with loose powder. I don't use setting powder, I just use loose powder, but you can use setting powder if you have, it doesn't matter. So I'm just setting my face, especially on my nose because I get the most oily here. So like usual, I'm gonna go with my Etude House in the coat of Bake House with this shade. Holy shit, there's black in here. Okay, I haven't washed this brush. Oh my god, you guys can see, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelids. Also, remember the last video where I said the lower lash line here is the lower eyelids? I'm so sorry. I was like really out of it when I was editing that video, and I thought I was right. It's not lower eyelids, it's freaking lash line. And for this shade here, not here, okay, but here, also to your outer corner. your middle here to the outer corner too, okay? Middle here, the outer corner like that. Then you just blend it. The deeper shade here. This is my way of putting eyeshadow. If you don't like it, then you don't have to follow me. But I'm just showing you, like, one of the ways that you can do it. Like I said, outer corner here. And since I have hooded eyelids, I always put the eyeshadow almost up here, near my eyebrows, because when I close my eyes, right, literally, like, everything that I put on top of my eyes is like gone. So that's why I always apply eyeshadow sampai on top of it, because I have hooded eyelids. If you don't have hooded eyelids, I think you don't have to put it sampai like close to your brow bone. At least you can like put it here, and then you can still see the eyeshadow that you put. So I'm gonna put some glitter. So I use this one, the middle part of my eyelids, and then the excess I put the inner corner of my eyes. Then I take the shade to put on my lower lash line and connect it with the upper lash line a bit. Now for the glitter, put it here, the middle of your lower lash line. And I put some glitter here into my lower inner corner of my lash line. And sometimes the distribution of the glitters are not the same, and it's okay. You can always remove some or add more to the other eye. Now what I'm gonna do is put some concealer. Concealer on top of it just a bit, since I don't have that much space. I'm just gonna put a bit, just blend it, because I want to highlight this part. The darker shade here, I'm gonna try to make a wing a bit, just a bit, because this one, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, but for this look I'm gonna make my wing not that droopy, but it's like just following my eye shape and not making it like pure, not making it, I won't draw it upwards, I will just draw it just like following my eye shape here and here. You will see it. I'm gonna start with the eyes, and we're gonna continue that later. So I'm just gonna contour my face. I'm using this LA shape It Up contour palette. So I'm gonna put it here. Yep, since this is my cheekbone, right, and I want to enhance it, I will put my contour here on my jaw. Right, and take the shade, the one that I use as a contour, to contour my nose. Yeah. I'm making an illusion of a new nose bridge so that my nose will look more defined, not squished. Lower part of this nose, my nose tip. I also put it here. What do I call this? I'll put it there. It's just here. And you just blend it. Sorry, so I forgot to turn on the record button again. So basically what you guys didn't get to see is that I was after contouring my nose and blending it out. I also contour here, the tip of my nose, and also here, because I want to have that button nose like effect, right? So I contour the tip of my nose here and also here. It really depends on the shape of your nose, okay? So don't exactly follow me if you have different nose shape. You guys really need to do a try and error on that. Okay, after contouring those parts, I highlighted my nose, like the bridge of my nose here and the tip of my nose here with my concealer again. I just put a bit of them and just use my finger to dab it on evenly. And after that, I remember the glitter that we used for the inner corner of our eyes. I used that glitter again and put it on the highlighted nose part as well. So look, we have contour and also highlighted our nose. Okay. Now, sorry, I forgot to press record. Now we're gonna do eyeliner. So like I said in this tutorial, I won't do a normal wing eyeliner. So basically I'm just like folding my eye shape. Oh my god, I messed up. It's okay. Eye shape here and go a bit downwards and then like continue drawing here a bit. I connect with the lower lash line a bit. Just sampai here. Not sampai ke dalam but just here. Just at the outer lash line. Okay? What I'm going to do is I'm just going to smudge the eyeliner on the lower lash line a bit. Just at the same spot, okay? Don't go beyond like that. Just at the same spot here. So like I said, I'm really not good with eyeliner. Sometimes it comes out good, sometimes it doesn't. It really depends on my luck that day. How do I do this? Maybe a bit like that. I do my eyeliner just following my eye shape. And then I connect it with my lower lash line. Just do that. I think you guys can do better than me because I really messed up. But it looks okay. I'm gonna show you this. Well, this is not a trick, but this is most definitely a tip. So for mascara, you guys just put it normally like how people would, and then after that you just do it like a zigzag line. If you guys want like a more dramatic mascara look, because that zigzag movement, because you can see because that zigzag movement will make your lashes stay lifted compared to before. This part, I'm sorry, I really can't teach you about how to do the eyebrows, but just do it how normally you would, because I just use my mascara for my eyebrows. So using this full color palette, I'm gonna take this chestnut shade here, okay, on your cheekbones, and then put it under the tip of your nose. So just now you just blend however you like it. Okay, and then for this part as well, I'm just gonna put it here, like here, to make it look like I have a sunburn, but not really, because I don't even go outside that much anymore. Oh my god, you put so much blush. What do I do? So like I said, remember, take your foundation brush and just dab it on. I start with just doing the lips, so I'm using this Maybelline lipstick. So just put it normally. So this lipstick, it acts as our base, our lip base. I'm using this color, okay. Now for that, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Cough Topic Catsuit lip meat, and just since I have small lips, I'm like, just really have to use really small amount, okay. And just spread it onto your in the inner parts of your mouth. So color lipstick in the shade of 301, and the inner lip part as well. So we're finally done. Wait, let me show you in a better lighting. This is how it looks like. Quite nice, right? Yeah, I know. Okay. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful or give you a bit of like inspiration to do your makeup or any makeup look. So yeah, thanks for watching.